Kuliah di Fibro, kajing betip namanta kitu kiban yala ek exam jongka post pion jongka Meghalaya Lokayukta te kanotis kilapan mi biang kane Shillong 9 July mi kanai trip July. This is for general information for the candidate that the written examination for the following post of pion will be held as follow. Name of post kadai pion katarik kadai arpo trip July arjar sau kapor kadai shipho baje step hadu khadway baje step hi. Eligible candidate may download the admit card from the website macrecruitment.nic.in. Tesakan mau gitu kiba apply kene ka post kiba la dap ele exam shisin mar bala postpone biang te kin hab ele biang sai shisin te sa download biang ye ka admit card ka jong pi hapo ka website macrecruitment.nic.in te pila ban download no ko poru ada kampat don te sa download biang hadu ba la jan ka tre exam hab check hi man ka por mar ka exam ka de arpo 3 Julai te pila ban check la yo la biang la 4 yo haban abiang nam ta ka admit card te tangin de jing betip kuliah